Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com, and today's video we're going to go through adjusting your device bids to drive more higher converting traffic. All right, and what that is just another lever that Google gives you to turn up, and turn down traffic sources that are either converting really well for you and costing leads that are affordable, or turning down traffic sources that are just not converting well or bringing in way too high of leads. So really simple tweak that you can do on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. I'll kind of walk you through how to do that today in a live Google Ads account. So before we get into that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. We really appreciate all that stuff. And if you are a business owner who would like us to run Google Ads for your company, there should be an application link in the description below this video where you can apply to work with us. And if it's a good fit, we can get rocking and rolling with that. If you would like to just learn more about training in Google Ads and stuff like that, there's also links in the description for all kinds of free trainings, courses, everything you can possibly imagine Google Ads related. So check that out. All right, so let's get right into it. We are in the last 30 days data, March 28th to April 26th, 2022. And we are looking at a cash for junk cars client. So we're going to go right into the device bids, right? So the first thing we're going to go into our campaign here. We're going to come down to devices, and you have three options. You have desktop computers, mobile phones, and tablets, and they are all exactly what they sound like. So how adjusting device bids works is you really need data to do this. So don't do this based off of if you have like 15 or 20 clicks. You need, I would say, at least 50 clicks. You need a healthy data sample to start making adjustments. So you can see here, tablet traffic. We always turn off tablet traffic, and to turn it off, all you're going to do is adjust the device bid to negative 100%. And to do that, you would just click the edit button, you would choose decrease, and you choose 100%, save, and that turns off that traffic source. So the tablet traffic, at least in this niche, never converts really well, so we just don't even go after it. Now, mobile phones. You can see here, a bulk of the leads from the last 30 days, 221 leads were smartphones, mobile phones. So obviously that's really good traffic. It's converting at 53%, which is outrageous. That's amazing. And up here we have computers, which is just desktop computers, laptops, stuff like that. And 30 clicks, 11 leads, a cheaper cost per lead than the actual mobile phones, but the conversion rate significantly less. So how do you adjust these bids, right? So the first thing you have to know to adjust these bids is it even worth adjusting? Can you even get more traffic, right? And to do that, some metrics you have to look at, which is impression share, the absolute top, which is basically the number one position in the top 4 spots in Google Ads, and then impression share top, which is one of the top 4 spots. Now, impression share top is what you should be basing this off of, and it's a percentage. So on mobile devices, 82% of the time, our ads are in one of the top 4 spots. On computers and desktop, that is 43%. So what this is telling us is both of these devices have runway that we can increase bids, and it won't just waste money because we're at the ceiling, right? The ceiling would be 100%. So that's a metric you have to use to even decide if it's even possible or feasible to increase your bids. So right off the bat, desktop traffic for this guy is doing well, 36% conversion rate. He's getting pretty good leads, $28 leads. So, and we have a lot of runway. We're less than 50%. So I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to increase by 5%. I always start in increments of 5% with my increases. And then you can dial it back as you progress throughout the campaign. You want to find the nice medium where your target cost per lead, which for this guy is $33 per lead. We're at 31 right now. We don't want to go over 33. So that's how we know we're at our ceiling with bid adjustments, is we stop when we start hitting the ceiling at 33. And we try and squeeze as much conversion volume out of that as we can by adjusting these devices. So that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to use the device bids. It's really simple, and it's a really powerful tool that's overlooked a lot. All right, and there's actually one more as well. So if you come down here to show more, you have advanced bid adjustments, right? And this is basically just on mobile devices. It's calls. And this is also another essentially device type that you can adjust, and same metrics apply. So the coverage rate here, interaction coverage, is what it's called in this column. and that's 65%. So that's telling us we have 65% coverage. So that means we can improve. We can bid higher if we want to. Our cost per lead's pretty close to what we want it to be at. So I would only bump up a few percent, maybe go to like 7, right, and see how that does, and just see if we bump up against our $33 a lead cost and try and squeeze out an extra lead or two every week, right? So same drill. It's just different device. Well, it's mobile, but it's just another lever you can pull to get more of that high quality traffic. And also, this is another one where you can decrease this too. If you're getting crushed here, you can decrease it and make that adjustment as well. All right, guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below this video. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I know we use this on a weekly basis to dial in our campaigns, so it's very powerful. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you are looking for more Google Ads training, check out the links in the description. If you are a business owner and want to work with us, check out the links in the description. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.